Let's finish the video.
No, I'm not finishing any video. Who's Ayanda?
I didn't call you Ayanda. I didn't call you Ayanda. Did I call you Ayanda? I didn't call you Ayanda.
This is the second time I ignored you for the first time. This is the second time. Angeke ube nami bese after when uzocabanga enye imali kanjani?
I didn't do that. Come on, bro. Come on. I didn't do that. Come on. I can't. Come on. I always think about you.
For the fact that she's been on your mind the whole day.
I didn't mean to call you Ayanda.
Who's Ayanda?
Can you just finish the video? So now I have to cut these parties now. I have to cut these parties now.
Wanna tell me who's Ayanda?
Okay, I'm gonna tell after the video. Can you just finish the video?
Why after the video?
Because now you're on the camera, bro. I have to cut. Sure. Man, I'm right. The pretty ghost. Don't ever lose the Montana. They come some time and I want Sandy. You can call me Shim Sandy. I hope you know number. If you're new to the channel, can you please kindly subscribe? Today we're doing something crazy. I'm taking some prank about. I'm pranking one of my friends. She's ugly though, but yeah. I'm okay. I hope she don't see this part. But today we're pranking one of my friend. I'm chilling with my boy right here. She's on her way, you understand? Something yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna call her just to see what she's reacting and understand how. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Coming soon. Right now, boys. Right now. Subscribe right now, boys. Subscribe right now, boys. Right now, boys. Hey, boys. Subscribe right now, boys. Sure. Very. My name is Ryan, the pretty ghost. Internet people are you can call me. Okay.
Sim Tandile.
I hope I hope I'm not. I hope come back with it. I hope I'm not. I hope today we're doing some chewing air, you know.
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
Introduce yourself, please.
Niyabayangazi man.
I don't think they do. You're not that famous, please. You're not that famous. I'm just making sure you know that.
Namangizazi ke.
Yo, Mrs. Who?
Mrs. Woods, Buffett, Mrs. Face Cut never decline Marafandia decline. If you don't know me, I bet now you know me.
If you don't know me now, you bet now you know me. Okay, today we're doing a Q&A. First question, you don't have a question, you wanna go with some love. This is your thing. If you didn't subscribe, can you please kindly subscribe to this channel, you know? Road to 5, you know, road to 5K, road to 5K, road to 5. You understand? First question. Something first, I just wanna ask you something lovely and doubly. That's about right. Lovely and doubly, doubly and lovely. Ooh, trying to be lovely. I'm trying to be rapper these days, you know.
Ngiyakuzwa nami today guys. Mani mihlolo fani.
Okay. What is your date dream? Like some la ufuna yakhona ama date. La ufuna ungathanda yakhona.
Ama date.
Yeah, la ungancane yakhona. If
Mauritius.
If I want to take you on a date, I have to go to Mauritius.
Yes.
Where's Mauritius, Mangla? Bro, what was that? Where's Mauritius, Mala?
I mean, guys, a date is a date for me, yes.
That's a date, okay. You don't have any question for the boy? Anything, man. It's a Q&A. We asking each other some. No, as our phone, anything you would like to ask, you know? Why are you ugly? Maybe I will answer one day.
Why are you ugly?
I was joking. You got to such a my mom. My father, I don't know, maybe they just did some quick. I didn't say that. You said it. I just said it. You're so rude to say that, but I'm just saying my mom maybe and my father, you know, they are ugly. We never know. Okay. Another question. How many body counts do you have?
Since we Easter and niyaza ngithi uNkulunkulu Jesus died for our sins. So body count back to 0.
shit. You know that side. Yo, no way. She said from now, she's a virgin. She never touched anyone. Okay. Any question for me?
Uzothi asibuyele esikolweni, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I don't even see myself tomorrow. Why you wanna see me in 5 years? I don't even see myself tomorrow. Why someone be like, yo, where do you see yourself? I don't see myself kusasa. Okay, do you see yourself?
Hey, banna.
Oh, wow, Ayanda, you see?
Hey, banna.
What? Okay. Another question. Do you see yourself getting married with me?
Nah, actually, njukushada.
So we don't have the capacity.
So you don't see yourself getting married with me, boys?
Nah.
As a friend, like stick together forever.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick together forever.
Slowly.
Lapho uwe. Again, nada. Boys, I don't even see myself getting married.
Why?
I am qualifying, Twana. Lezi mshado azilingani nami. Ayazilingani.
They too tall. They too tall. By the phone. Okay, a question for me.
A question for you. You said that was the last one. Okay, a question for you.
Don't be slow, Ayan.
Zotin. What's your type?
My type is you.
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
What you saying? It's type.
It's okay.
Come papel, how?
Yo.
So the guys, they were calling. There was a call. You know, I have to answer the call. You understand? Another question. Oh, it's my turn.
Yeah, it's your turn.
Are you in love right now? Are you talking to someone?
Yo, Ntwana.
So we don't have the capacity.
Okay, are you talking to someone?
Am I talking to someone?
Yeah.
I mean, I talk to everybody. Musnama ngikhuluma nawe.
Kanti why uthanda umuslim? I don't know why uthanda umuslim.
Manje ngikhuluma nawe bus.
Are we talking?
We're talking.
I didn't know I was talking to you. I'm sorry. Okay, we're talking, guys. Yeah, okay, what the fuck? We're talking. Okay, another question for me, Ayan. Don't be slow, boy. Proper wife, someone like you, someone who really funny, beautiful eyes, who can just be stupid sometimes. We all have a right to be stupid, right? We have a right to do mistakes. I didn't say it. Maybe smart. Maybe smart.
Okay.
What do you mean, Ruban?
Eh?
Smart.
Nah, like I'm a call namanje, it's a non call, so
relax, relax.
It's about to go down.
Man, yes, like wait, I've ignored you the first time. And who I am one?
Did I say Ayan? No. Come
Even
on.
the first time
Come
you said
on,
Ayan. Who's Ayanda?
I didn't say that, dog.
You
Relax.
said that, but
Come on, bro.
I ignored you,
Come
like
on,
for
bro.
you.
Someone come here and relax.
Like I.
You know what? I did say that. My bad.
Who's Ayan? Relax, opposite. Relax.
No,
Another question.
No, like this is the second time you're saying Ayan. Who's Ayanda?
This camera. Can do with this woman.
I'm not the camera. If you see what was camera, by the way? Who Ayan?
Another quick, guys. Hello. Yeah, we're back again. Hey, another question.
I'll tie the liver.
And then I am. Relax, and I am. I'm busy. The dog. It's gonna stop a video. See, check. By the flop, we can stop a video.
I ignored you for the first time. Who's Ayanda?
I didn't call you Ayan. Don't I know your name?
Yes, you know my name, but
Mrs. Who? Mrs. Who?
It's the second time
I didn't call you Ayana, dog. Zin. What the fuck? I didn't call you Ayana. What do you mean, dog? Come on, relax. I didn't do that.
Or is she one of your chicks?
Come on, boys. Now you're doing the chicks what? Imagine. What chicks what, dog?
Anything. Is she one of your chicks?
I didn't. Bro, we on the camera. Can you just show the video, bro? Can you fucking show the video?
Yeah, ma.
Okay.
Yeah, ma. We can do it another day. Who's Ayanda?
And I'm telling you, I know a guy who's called Ayanda. I know a nigga.
How, a guy?
Yes, one of my niggas. Okay. Yo, Ayanda, boys. I don't know. She think I call it Ayanda, boys. I don't know how. Okay.
Is a guy. And before they call le, balu Ayanda Sbanban. Then after Wabai unknown call. You put me in danger.
No.
Now manje before you could even get to another video.
Yeah.
At least we post the video.
Yeah.
Upumile. And you normally don't do that. Ubanu Ayanda.
Boys, now that's Kakiso, bro. Kakiso called me to say
so who
maybe.
Kakiso, no?
No, who called? I'm telling you. Boys,
who Kakiso, no?
Kakiso called me.
If you are Kakiso bakakufonele, you always answer your phone numbers. Nomkhuluma no Kakiso. Put you even put it on loudspeaker. Ma, this time we can just chew a clear Q&A. Now I'm saying, come on, relax, relax. I want to know.
I'm just telling you, let's just shoot a video, and finish it. Come on, Nana, man. For what? Okay, this was a big man. Pick some walls. So I am ninja. It's like my cousin. Come on, Ayana, bro. It's cousin Yam. Some fun in the video. Out. Some fun in the video, and I don't have airtime. Do you have airtime?
Yeah, no, airtime.
Yeah, we're gonna call him. We're gonna call him after this shoot. Let's finish the video then. Okay, let's finish. Let's finish the video.
No, not finishing any video. Who's Ayanda?
I didn't call you Ayanda. I didn't call you Ayanda. Did I call you Ayanda? I didn't call you Ayanda.
This is the second time I ignored you for the first time. This is the second time.
I didn't do it, dog. I've been calling you my boy. No, what? I can't think it. Come on.
For the fact that you know for the fact that you know
next. Dog, we can shoot the video, bro. We can just shoot the video and talk about this after this.
Who's Ayanda?
Okay, guys, we're back again. I think I'm gonna cut it. There's a part I cut, boys. Let's do this.
See Muslim.
I'm sure Muslim. What do you mean Muslim?
Who's Ayanda?
Ayanda is my friend. Come on, Ayanda, bro. Like Ayanda is my friend. Ayanda is my friend.
Stop the cap.
You know, right? Okay, can we just keep shooting? No, there's a maid called Ayanda.
Yeah. How?
From where?
How?
Come on, boys. Relax. No, I told you Kakiso, dog. You don't know Kakiso.
Kakiso Ayanda.
No, I think maybe because of you think I'm calling Ayanda. Maybe you saw me. I don't know. Okay, let's just shoot a video. Then after that,
don't tell me about the video. The recent call. We can go through your recent calls right now.
Okay, we're gonna do that. Can you just shoot a video, please? Okay, pega. I understand. Okay, let's just shoot a video.
I'm not shooting any video.
Ngiyacela was a shoot a video, guys.
Angeke kube nami bese after when uzocabanga enye imidi kanjani?
I didn't do that. Come on, bro. Come on. I didn't do that. Come on. I can't. Come on. I always think about you.
For the fact that she's been on your mind the whole day.
Kanjani? What do you mean, dog?
What do you mean?
What do you mean, mom? Come on.
That's disrespectful. You can't do that.
Can we just shoot? I'm sorry.
Yes,
to call you Ayanda. I didn't mean to call you Ayanda.
Who's Ayanda?
Can you just finish the video? See, now I have to cut these parties now. I have to cut these parties now.
Wanna tell me who's Ayanda?
Okay, I'm gonna tell after the video. Can you just finish the video?
Why after the video?
Because now you're on the camera, bro. I'm gonna edit this part, bro.
We'll do the video for another day. When you tell you to
Ayanda Ninja Yam, I'm calling is my dog.
Ninja Yako.
Come on, Nana, bro.
Ninja Yako.
Come on, I'm gonna manage.
Mina guys, for fact ukuthi mina ngazi ukuthi bathi inja yami noma phone na kuba like boma show dog in manje hello
come on
ukhuluma nezitabani Ala sifi isitabani kuyohlangana nesitabani eGrooveni. Ungahleki.
Come on, that's so fun.
No, ungahleki. Who's Ayanda?
Ayanda's my nigga. Okay, can you where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Ngibuza amasinga ezonibuza umuntu wethu asimasafe in 5 years. Ngibona uAyanda. Who's Ayanda? I see Ayanda.
Do you really like which music you would like to do?
Ayanda. Ngithanda ukwenza music no Ayanda. Uzongitshela ukuthi ubani uAyanda. Who's Ayanda?
Ayanda is my friend. Yo, I don't know. Yo, guys, let's start this video. Let's start the video clear. What are you laughing? Ciao, fella, man. I'm so ready. Please go tell the people about the comments. And I want to call me.
Ayanda. Ubani Ayanda?
Nana, come on, bro. Let's can you abona manje ngimoshela video nana.
Any video. Sizoyenza video the other day for another day. Makufana uzongitshela ukuthi ubani.
Ninja yam. No. Okay, I'm sorry to call you Ariana. I just made I was chilling with Ayana yesterday, so I thought I'm sorry. Can you shoot the ground if I call you again?
So you made Ayana?
No, Inshaya. No.
You made? Ukufonelile then waphuma.
No, Inshaya.
Ukufonelile then waphuma.
No. Okay, let me tell you something. Ayana is my dog. And I respect you, bro. I can't chill with Hans. I don't do that. I don't really chill with Hans, crazy.
You don't really chill with Hans?
No, I don't chill with my niggas.
Wena?
Yeah.
So why gay? You're on a phone call. Why did you have to go out?
Because it's business wise.
Business.
Yeah. Sure, video, yeah. I have to cut a video, boys. I have to cut a video because of Can you please give me energy, dog?
Energy?
Yeah, okay. Can I have energy, dog? We can just start a video and relax it. You know that.
Energy.
Come on, what's?
I don't.
What's?
Miss Woods.
Okay, Miss Woods. Okay, guys, there was a call again. I have to answer it, What's Gachi is a boys, So, can I ask you just last questions, and then we're gonna close the video. Why?
Yeah, ask.
Who's your type? What is your type?
Ayanda.
Ozoma?
Ayanda.
Type yako? I would like it to Ayanda though. I wish I was Ayanda, I wish I was Ayanda. Okay, any question for me, man? Yeah, bro, you're making my video boring, bro. You can't do that. Come on, bro. Okay, another question for you, Stano-san. Hey, okay, let's give it a question again. Fuck. Bro, can you just act for a camera, bro? Just act like you're okay for a camera. Just act for a camera.
How? Why should we act like I'm okay? I'm okay.
You okay? Okay. What is the freakiest thing Ogo Aichuna?
None.
Come on, Ayana, bro. It's just you have to. Nothing you can. Oh, you need. Are you dating now? You have beautiful eyes, by the way.
Yeah, well.
It's so beautiful, Ayana. Can you ask me questions now?
What's your
Any question now?
Ayanda. Food.
No. Come on, bro. Come on. Can you just ask me questions?
Oh, so Ayanda, your dog is beautiful. Uzwile mar.
No, mama. That's manjangas. Can do I was so? Why are you starting to talk? Come on, bro. Can do Ayan ban? Are you dating Ayan? Do you have a boyfriend called Ayan? Because I feel like now she's trying to tell me something.
Maybe she.
Are you dating Ayan?
Maybe.
Who's your boyfriend?
Ayanda. Angitholokho wena umbizo Ayanda.
I didn't call you Ayanda, that's the thing.
You didn't.
No.
Manje, you've just done that.
Come on, bro. Okay, who's Ayanda? I have to ask you this because you wanna tell me you're dating Ayanda. No wait. No. Come on, bro. Come on, yabona manje ubeke video ibe snacks no. Kanjalo no. Kanjani?
I know like honestly uyangijwayela no.
Ngijwayela kanjani? We have to watch the video bro and come on we can
video.
Ngitshele ngani ke?
Ngo-Ayanda.
Ubani?
Yeah, ubani vele u-Ayanda?
Ubuza mina futhi.
Ngislim.
No, bro. Ubani okay, ngikwenza slim kanjani and I'm telling you I don't know Ayanda. You been telling me about Ayanda. I didn't say Ayanda. Who's Ayanda then?
I've been telling you about Ayanda. Icala kuphi into ka-Ayanda?
You tell me about Ayanda, dog.
Ubani Ayanda? You've been calling Ayanda. So lokhu ngibiza ngo-Ayanda. Who's Ayanda? Na lo Ayanda wakho uyafona la.
Also Ayanda, I told it's Kagiso poison. I told it's Kagiso and there's nothing I can do. Can you just finish the video, boy? Can you just do it for video then?
I'm telling you video. Wena ngitshela ngo-Ayanda. Ubani u-Ayanda?
Inja yam and there's nothing I can do, boy, dog. Come on, now you know I have friends, Ayanda. You don't know Ayanda, the dark nigga, the fisher one. We call him Blakey now. We call him Blakey. By the way,
he's beautiful.
I didn't say that. I said you're beautiful. I always tell you beautiful, man.
You were like Ayanda, you're beautiful.
What's going on? I just have to just cut the video, you know. Just. Oh, and I'm just saying you don't want to do a video with me, so. Come on, bro. She think I'm calling him Ayanda that I don't even know who's Ayanda. I don't have people called Ayanda around. I think she's dating Ayanda, by the way, guys. She's dating Ayanda. I think this is the last time I'm going to play Page Lam. But she's dating Ayanda, apparently. Are you dating? Yeah, she don't want to talk, boys. Hey, are you gay?
I knew it.
Ayanda?
Hey.
And I'm sorry about that words. Okay, let's close the video now. Let's close the video. Bro, be active. Be active.
Yeah.
Be active. Just be active. Yeah. Be active. Can you just be active? Let's close the video. Yeah. Can you just be active, man? Just for your content, bro. You don't need to do it for me. Okay, do it for me, Mr. Nasam. What?
Uthini Ayanda makabona lezi zinto uzothini Ayanda?
Uthini namakaza was abona uvela nasekameni. Was hello guys.
Ish. You go before na meeting building. Come.
Nana, come on.
No Ayanda wakho. For you, can I have my phone?
You're gonna get your phone. Can we just shoot then? Can we just shoot then you're gonna go? Can we just shoot and then you're gonna fly? I'm sorry then if I call you Ayanda. I didn't hear myself. Maybe being person I don't know. I didn't hear myself talking to you. No, I don't think. Come on, bro. I'm talking about so people. I'm not is fair. If you wanna say I'm a fair.
Yeah, she would to use me.
Come on, bro. Ayanda is just a friend. I'm telling you, Ayanda is my dog. By the way, if you like this video, can you kindly please subscribe, like the video, share.
Ayanda.
Come on, Nana, bro. Relax, calm down, breathe in. But man, young kid, like saying Bora said, I'm trying to be. Not saying Bora because of now I'm trying to be nice to you, like I'm trying to keep it cool. I'm trying to act for the camera. What do you mean I call you Ayanda? I don't even call you Ayanda. I don't even know Ayanda.
Okay, sure.
Maybe you're dating Ayanda.
Yeah, maybe.
Bro, you realize that we have to go. It's getting late. Let's just shoot a video, then you go. You don't need to be nice for me, bro. Just nice for a video. Okay. Let's shoot, bro. Let's shoot.
Sometimes can I have my phone?
You're gonna take your phone. Can you just shoot, bro?
I wanna go home.
You can't go home. Then let's shoot, bro.
Na ke etsa ntate ke mataba ya ke itshuna oh ya ke etsa fela
Man.
yeah guys
Man.
Mama kabani mina.
What was that? Oh, what was a shoot? What was a shoot? Sorry. I will never.
Can I have my phone?
Yeah, you're gonna get your phone, but I'm sorry to call you.
Can I have my phone?
I'm sorry to call you.
Can I have my phone?
If I did call you, I'm sorry, man.
Can I have my phone?
It's a prank, man. I was pranking you. It's a prank, man.
Namanga.
I'm telling you, it's a prank. Come
Can I
on.
have my phone?
I'm telling you, I was pranking you, bro. I was pranking you. I don't do. Come on, I will never do that. I will never call you. I know your name. It's a prank. Can I show you the video? Then it's a prank. Can I show you the video? It's a prank.
Which video?
I took a video before you came here.
Namanga.
I'm telling you.
Can I have my phone?
You're gonna. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Come on, relax. It's a prank. I'm pranking you, dog. What's a prank? It's a prank.
Mfuna ukuhamba.
We are also harmed, but we can come, bro. Hello, guys. It's a prank. It's a prank. Comment below. It's a prank, dog. It's a prank. I know. It's a prank. I'm joking. It's a prank. It's a prank. Relax. Okay. Let's close the video then. Let's close the video then. Hello, guys. Ciao, very much. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. Man. It's a prank.
Boris.
It's a prank. It's a prank. You say, but you say, subscribe.
Yeah, bye guys. Ni subscribe lapho.
Maro, dog.
Ngisakwatile.
Ciao, fellow, what's up, Freakos, man? If you didn't like this video, can you please kindly like this video, man? You understand? Ciao, Fede. I'm out. Eesh.